Dusty and Tice collaboration. Take one. Don't make me do the pony dance today. I will turn the music on and I'll get Channing Tatum all up in this bitch. We are at a strip club.
I'm hungry. I don't know if I can film in these conditions.
I can't believe you showed up with nothing to eat, nothing to drink, unprepared.
Last time I was on set, they had their own food. They come eat.
We're not there. Yeah, so I kind of just rambled on there. So I'm going to do that again. If you want to stop, I'll do a second cut.
And always remember to ride hard and ride often.
I forgot the words, dude. Today we left with you guys. Hey guys, what's up? We are what?
What are they called now? Penguins?
No, they're just all squids with danglers. Nobody knows how to do spurs anymore. Except for Emrock's coming back with some horseshoes. I totally forgot what I should say after this.
Yeah.
Do I say my name and then your name?
Your name and my name.
Okay.
And then we start over.
A couple of variations how to correctly do a stand-up Willie. So I just want to say, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. It's like, that's my tagline, one after another. There you have that. Well, there you have that. Hello.
Don't say there. Say
all right.
here.
Now, as you can see, we just showed you a asshole.
1 minute.
I think Ron Burgundy does that. Out now, New York.
What am I gonna say again? All right.